Hey everybody, it's Derek with The Ultimate Hang, and you know, I haven't done this in a long time. I just want to do a really quick unboxing video. It's like the best YouTube video ever to show somebody opening a box. No, seriously though, I got this package from Wildish Outdoors, and it's kind of a unique hammock company. The premise that they have is they create a limited edition printed hammocks, so they have custom designs, so you have to get them while they're hot. They have I think the other thing that's kind of cool about them, and this is really just customer service, but it's fun to see companies who take a little bit of extra time to create an experience in terms of the product journey. And that's one thing I like here. You know, they're small little things, like just in the packaging they have this fun kind of whimsical way of communicating, letting people know that their gear's arrived. Some of that is automated, which I love, being in digital marketing and seeing how they can connect those pieces, make it really easy. So email alerts, where your package is. So what I'm hoping for is that inside this box, in addition to having a really cool custom print hammock, there might be something else cool inside, because that's, you know, always fun. So we'll see what's in this particular package. And if you hear crying in the background, that's just my family having a lot of fun. All right, so, oh, so cute. We have a fun, we make outdoorsy gear. So it's not purely outdoor gear. So it's going to be, it says here, the current outdoor industry has left us feeling pretty intimidated. So they're trying to be a little bit different kind of a company. A little bit of wild, a little bit of ish. So just have fun. Look at this. I'm happy. We've got some Ghirardelli chocolate. Peppermint bark. This is, hey Jared! That's Jared. They're part of my hammock testing team. Can you see that? That's pretty cool. Yeah. So this is, hello, your outdoorsy gear is here. So this kind of completes the customer journey. Like I said, they have these fun emails that go along with it. You can kind of see, here's the printed hammock. This was kind of a Hawaiian or Polynesian print.
What does that one say?
What does this one say? This looks like, these are the straps, and that's all that's in the box. Your outdoorsy gear is here. So that's pretty cool. So in a follow-up post, we're gonna look a little bit more at this particular hammock. I'm not really gonna do much unboxing here, because if you know me, and when I do gear reviews, I like to spend my time, you know, as I know it sounds funny, right? I test hammocks, which is like the best gear job ever, because I get to sleep in it, and that's what I like to do, is make sure that these are well tested, and I can put my stamp of approval or not on it. Try to be as honest as possible. So first impressions, that's a pretty cool stuffed sack, I must say. Small indication, says Bend, Oregon on the tag. This is the MC hammock. So the other premise about their hammocks is, it actually reminds me of a couple of hammocks. One is the Grand Trunk. Oh man, I'm gonna forget it. There's this Grand Trunk hammock that could convert to like being a tarp and a shelter and a ground. I reviewed it years and years ago. I don't even think they make it anymore. But the MC hammock is similar to that. I don't know if you can see in their tag, they show different ways to use it, including a couch mode, which is basically like a multi-point hammock mode. Because the hammock itself, the other hammock that it mimics a little bit is the Aya hammock that I reviewed last year, I believe, where the suspension on the hammock is just one long kind of ribbon or strap that's designed to allow the gathered ends to open up, and then you can hang it in different ways. And that's kind of what the couch mode is all about. So you can kind of have this adjustable strap system that is in this hammock. And it looks like this hammock is number 40 of 300. And I got, maybe that's a sticker. That's a cute little sticker. So we got, the hammock comes with some really nice wire gate carabiners. you know, it's a little bit better than some wire gates. I mean, it has a little bit of weight to it, pretty strong. And then looks like nice 1-inch webbing. Oh, thanks, Spencer. And there you go. So you can see. Oh yeah, gotta be super cool. Oh, it looks like it's gathered on all 4 ends. So I probably got, yep, multiple carabiners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and looks like a bag of steaks and some guy line in there. So this is gonna be interesting to test and configure, because it is a gathered in hammock, but it looks like almost like yeah, well, I'm losing all my hammocks, their names. There's a cargo hammock. The Multi-Mock has a similar setup like that. So anyway, Teflon fabric protector. All right, well, we're gonna test this tonight. We're gonna set it up and really get some good use out of it. And so stay tuned at theultimatehang.com. We'll guys see you later. Okay, look, I'm back. I realized that for a true unboxing, I needed to show you what's in these 2 things. So apologize. The steak bag. Honestly, I was expecting some cheap aluminum steaks, but I was pleasantly surprised. There's these really kind of cool, they're hexagonal, anodized aluminum, so kind of cool. A little upgrade from what I was expecting, which is nice. And the guy line in here has some pretty cool aluminum, you know, adjusters that you can put on. I usually take these off, but they're there. I did set up the hammock. It's in my bedroom right now, so I'm gonna try that out tonight. I did notice that it has pull-out points on the corners and in the middle. So, you know, to set it up as a tent or a ground sheet, which, you know, I'm usually not a huge fan of setting up hammocks on the ground, but in some circumstances you could. This hammock, the fabric itself has a little bit thicker hand than you might expect in a typical nylon hammock. It has a diamond ripstop pattern on it, and with reinforcements. Each of the end channels is reinforced, so they're load bearing, weight bearing, that so you can actually pull it out on any of the sides, making it, you know, the couch mode or regular hammock mode. Okay, now for the straps, these are daisy chain straps, and I know, you know, Wildish probably isn't going to be happy with me saying this, but I don't think Eno is going to be very happy either, because this is a knockoff of the slap strap design. Their Atlas straps, you can see this, I believe they have a patent on, Eno has a patent on this particular style of daisy chain where it's looped back, reinforced. A lot of other companies that do the daisy chain to kind of get around that patent is to just do a flat webbing instead of actually, you know, kind of gusseting it like this and folding it back. But, you know, maybe they've figured something out. I don't know about that. The straps themselves aren't, I haven't measured them, but when I pulled them out, they did seem a little bit short. I'm gonna guess that they're maybe 8 feet long, 1 inch wide. They're Freedom straps, and it has a kind of a cool red, white, and blue tracer on one side. But the straps themselves are pretty robust. They are like a nice, thick seatbelt style webbing, and there are 2 of those. But, you know, even I know that I said these are short, but the reality is, because the hammocks already have integrated straps in them that extend pretty far, I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with having enough strap. But just to let you know, that's how that goes. So anyway, I think that's it in terms of unboxing. So I should probably tell you, if you want to look these guys up, their website is staywildish.com. You can check out their custom hammocks, and again, I'll have a full review of this hammock later on my website, theultimatehang.com. Check it out.